This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the screen size on your Android tablet so you can read everything a little bit easier. We can just swipe down from the top right and then go to settings. Let's go over to display. Sometimes you have an option on here to change the display and text size. We can find it right here under font. We can just tap this and we can increase the font size and then the display size here too. So everything should get a little bit bigger when we go ahead and do this. So I usually keep the display size about normal and then I just increase the font size. And that will change the applications enough for me to be able to read them. Then we got bold right here. So we can go back and this is kind of how it looks now. So it looks like nothing really on the home screen changed. We can just hold down on the home screen and go to home screen settings. And there should be an option in here to change the layout. So if we want less apps across the screen, it'll make the applications larger if we go to like 4:6 or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.